In today's video, we will discuss about cost center and cost category. In our future videos, we will try to learn how to put entries of cost center and cost categories. For this, we will try to learn what is cost center and cost category by this example, and we will try to solve this problem in our next videos for learning cost center and cost category. Here you can see the first sentence is the head cashier of ABCD Limited transfers 7,500 to petty cashier. For this entry, we will just make a voucher entry like cash received from head cashier. Just a normal voucher entry. Now we will try to know what is cost category. Cost category is the main figure in which under the cost centers are applicable. Like we took a cost category example like petty cash expenses. For this cost category, we allocate cost ledger like general expenses. We can make many ledgers, cost allocation ledgers under petty cash expenses like general expenses, refreshment expenses, etc. And this under we made some of the cost center examples like general expenses. Which are the general expenses? Like printing paper, postal courier, pen, pencil, eraser, traveling expenses, etc. We made those little items as cost center, and the main thing is petty cash expenses, which is the cost category. The main thing is the cost category and the small items are cost center. So we'll try to learn in our videos to about cost center and cost category, how to enable this and how to put entries of this. We'll try to solve this sum or this problem in our next videos, like making a cost category like petty cash expenses, and cost allocation ledger making like general expenses, and cost centers like this and their amounts. We will try to learn this total problems. For this we have to follow these 4 steps, like enable cost center and cost category. We have to first create a company like ABCD Limited, and then we have to enable the cost center and cost category. Then we have to fill all of the details, like cost category name we put petty cash expenses, cost centers name like printing paper, postal courier, etc. And then we will try to learn how to pass necessary entries like printing paper of rupees. How much we spend 750 rupees, so we'll make a voucher entry of this under this this cost category. Then we will check all the entries. After all the completion, we will try to learn how to check those entries in our balance sheet or profit and loss or our tally program. So in this video we will just try to understand what is cost center and cost category. In our next videos we will try to know physical problem solving like with this example in our tally prime program. Thank you for watching.